वेलकम टू वेल्स क्विक टिप्स अँड ट्रिक्स कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांना तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. आयज आमी घेवन येयल्या.
Today we've harvested kagzi limes, ornamental chilies, sweet and spicy. And we have, for the first time, we've got black cherry tomatoes and kale. It's a long kale, and also we've harvested curled kale, and lots of lettuce and salad leaves. And also we have parsley. Yes.
So now we'll make some salad out of it. So very easy. You just crush this in your hand. It's all washed, okay? Then chilies I will put whole. So I'm taking around 2 chilies. And we'll take some lime juice. So juicy it is. And I like to eat this, so I'm adding this also in this. Then we'll add this to this.
A black cherry tomato.
That is the hero of today's summer special. Then we will drizzle some olive oil in this. Then we will add it approx like 1 tablespoon. You can add olive oil, salt to taste, and some pepper powder, crushed pepper powder. And then we will toss this. So if we need more olive oil, we will add a little bit of more. Olive oil is good for health. That's it. Our summer salad is ready for our lunch. Thank you so much. Hope you all will enjoy this. Thank you.